Hello friend, over the past few lessons, we learned all there is to demand elasticity. And just like demand, supply can be elastic. Let us learn all about this. The elasticity of supply is defined as the degree of responsiveness of the quantity supplied of a commodity to a change in price. It measures the extent to which the quantity of a commodity supplied by a producer changes due to a little change in the commodity's price. The elasticity of supply is a percentage change in supply divided by a percentage change in price. Like demand, supply elasticity can be unitary, elastic, perfectly elastic, inelastic, and perfectly inelastic. Let us begin with unitary elastic supply. Supply is said to be unitary when a unit change in quantity supplied causes the same unit change in price. That is, when there is a 10% change in the quantity supplied of an item, there is an equal 10% change in the price of the item. Consumer appliances are unitary elastic in their supply. So for example, suppose a fridge seller decides to give a 10% discount on fridges, reducing cost from 10,000 to 9,000 cities. In that case, his quantity supplied will rise from 90% to 100%. Next up is elastic supply. Supply is said to be elastic when a slight change in the quantity supplied of a product leads to a more significant change in the price of that product. For example, if Kwaku, a shoe seller, increases the price of his products from 10,000 cities to 15,000 cities, he will see a significant decrease in sales and in turn the quantity supplied. Now, let's discuss perfectly elastic supply. When supply is perfectly elastic for a product, a change in the price of the product causes its quantity supplied to either become unlimited in its supply or to be reduced to zero. That is, if a laptop costs 100,000 cities and its price drops to 99,000 cities, its supply will be unlimited. In comparison, if its price increases to 101,000 cities, its supply will become zero. There are no real-life examples of perfectly elastic products, and it is a hypothetical concept used for economic analysis. Supply can also be inelastic, meaning that a change in the price of a product will only result in a little or no change in the quantity supplied of a product. Quick one. Water is a product which is inelastic in its supply. A shift in the price of water does not affect the quantity supplied. This is because water is an essential commodity and is needed irrespective of its cost. Finally, a product can be perfectly inelastic when a change in price does not lead to any change in the quantity supplied. Land is an example of a perfectly inelastic supplied product. The amount of land on Earth is finite and cannot be increased or decreased because of a shift in its price. It does not matter if the price of land is 1,000 cities or 1,000,000 cities, its quantity supplied remains the same, making it a perfectly inelastic product. Alright friend, on this note, we will conclude our lesson on the elasticity of supply. I hope you enjoyed learning all about it. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.